Hey everybody, Shu here with Living Free 365. Just wanted to show you a quick little app for anybody that likes to go hiking, camping, or just be outside in the great outdoors. The app is called Picture Insect. Very simple app to use. You just open the app and you're going to have your home screen, which if you ever need to get back, you just hit the little home. If you hit the Me button, it'll show you pictures of little critters that you've taken pictures of. Now what I wanted to do, oh, look at that beach wolf spider, cute. What I wanted to do is see what kind of picture, or see what kind of spider my little buddy I call Charlie is. So you can, from either this screen or the home screen, you can hit the Take a Picture button, and it's going to bring your camera up. Now of course it's kind of hard to see Charlie right now, so in the top corner, right hand corner, you can turn on your light and it'll turn it on. Oop, gotta give it a second to focus on him. It's kind of small. Let's see if we can back up. There we go. That is Charlie. To give you an idea, that's how big Charlie is compared to my finger. So Charlie's pretty good size. So we're going to take a picture of Charlie and see what kind of insect Charlie is. There you go. Best match is a spotted orb weaver, also known as a red-femered spotted orb weaver. It also gives you an option of, it might also be a tropical orb weaver, which we're not in the tropics, and it looks just like spotted orb weaver on top. Now you can click on one of the pictures and it'll make it bigger so you can compare it. That's what someone else took. That's one I just took. You can see a resemblance here. So that's what Charlie is. Further down, if you go under the detailed, you can see the description of the spider, the appearance of the spider, the species status, and also the scientific classifications. Now, if you go up to gallery, it'll show you other photos that people have taken of different types. That falls kind of under the same. So many Charlies. Well, Charlie's eating right now, so we're gonna let Charlie eat. You can see he's got some food in his mouth right there. So we're gonna let Charlie eat, and we're gonna cut this off. But again, the name of this is Picture Insect. Instantly identify insects, sorry. This is a really cool app. It's very, very quick, and it's totally for free, unless you want unlimited identifications. Then you can go premium. But as for now, this is working perfect. If you hit the wallpapers, it'll actually give you an option that you can get high definition insect wallpaper themes if you're into that kind of stuff. So, hope this helps somebody. If it did, awesome. If you like this app, go ahead and give it 5 stars and tell them you've seen it on Living Free 365. So, until next time.